What?
And this is Maker Gigi.
Well, I don't know what is happening. I'm Mario the Maker Magician, and this is Maker Gigi. Today, we will be building a balloon-powered car that does a card trick.
A comic card! Let's do it!
You're gonna need a hot glue gun,
A balloon.
2 straws,
A rubber band.
2 pens,
4 bottle caps.
2 packs of playing cards,
A glue stick.
scissors, don't do it hard with scissors, 2 pieces of cardboard, and a Sharpie marker, and a smile. We need 2 pieces of cardboard cut at 3.5 inches by roughly 5 inches.
For the next step, we need 2 3-inch pieces of straw. Fly,
So-
go away.
You're not allowed!
We're going to take one of the pieces of cardboard and glue our straws to either end.
Next, we're gonna remove the ink chambers from both of our pens.
Poke a hole in each of the water bottle caps.
Smash that subscribe button. We've been filming for 7 hours. Wait, that's 8. Take the writing end of your pen and push it through the cap, like this. There you go. Make sure that the inside of the bottle cap is facing out. Put some hot glue surrounding the writing area, just like that.
Now thread your pen through the straw.
It's a lie! Not really.
This is really fun. We should do this more often.
Yeah, let's ditch this popsicle stand.
I've counted how many times you said that. This is the 3rd time.
Next, we need to secure the wheels on the other end. Just like that. Put a little hot glue.
There.
Perfect.
Now take the pen casing.
And cut it to about 2 inches. Put the balloon on one end of the pen casing. Secure it with a rubber band. Sorry! So sorry! We're gonna hot glue the pen casing right here center.
Now we're gonna make our gimmick. The sneaky part of the magic trick that makes it all work.
You're gonna need 3 playing cards. Put them face up in between both straws. Take your glue stick and glue the cards together.
Take our next piece of cardboard and peel the top off.
Now we're gonna take a glue stick and glue the piece of cardboard to the faces of the cards, like this.
Trim the excess.
Take your marker and draw a big X right in the center of your gimmick. Do the same thing on the inside of the card. Take your 2 packs of playing cards and find 2 matching cards.
Take one of your matching cards and hot glue it to the X on your car.
Tie.
Oh no! Take your matching card and put it on top of your deck of playing cards. We're done building. Now let's teach you how to perform the magic trick.
The first thing you have to do is take your gimmick and cover your reveal. That's the end of the trick. Placing the balloon car upside down on the table in front of you. Your playing cards are all shuffled, except for the top card being the card that magicians call the force card. We make the people that pick a card think that they have a free choice, but actually, it's forced. I don't even know what accent that was.
It's a wizard accent.
It's a wizard accent. We have someone name a number. Name any number.
15.
15. Count the cards down to 15 from the top down. Ready?
1, 2,
3, 4, 13, 14, 15. Perfect. Organize that pile nice and neat. Tell them to put the pile that they counted back on the pack, but put it like a plus sign like that. After they do that, we pause and we introduce our balloon car. Pick up the balloon car so your finger's on one side and your thumb's on the other. And say, look, I have a balloon car that I built. Do me a favor. This robot's gonna find your card. X marks the spot. Lift up your pack and take a look at the bottom card and memorize it. Now mix the cards up so we have no idea where the card is. take the playing cards and have them mix them all up into a long, thin string. It's like a little road for the balloon card. Explain to your audience that X marks the spot. This is not only for the big reveal at the end, but it's also to remind them that they've seen the underside of the card. Hold the card by pinching them with your fingers and thumb like this.
Like a sandwich.
Like a sandwich, that's good. Blow up the balloon. Use your index finger to hold the air. Have your spectator stand on one end of the row of cards. Go ahead, ready to catch the balloon. Place your card on top of the messy cards, releasing the gimmick. The gimmick is dropped off of the balloon card, blending in with all the cards. Next, all you have to do is release the air and the trick is done. X marks the spot. We'll see if this balloon card can find your card. Ready, set, go!
He caught my card!
Oh my goodness, we did magic. Balloon card.